All right, in addition to our work this week on community and your slice of life, we are going to get into the topic of plagiarism. Plagiarism is something that kind of is always relevant because plagiarism is using other people's ideas or work as your own. The obvious example of this is just cheating, but there are other ways that we unintentionally plagiarize. And so each year you will complete a tutorial and quiz over plagiarism. Each year it'll be different, it'll get a little harder, it'll be more grade level. But just so we know that you are fully aware of what that means, because if you plagiarize, there could be disciplinary consequences attached to that. So we want to make sure you're really aware of what that is. And if you do it unintentionally, you know how to fix that. And then, of course, definitely avoid intentional plagiarism. So just a little bit of an explanation about what's in this folder. Here's the overview of what we're doing, which I kind of just explained. And then the plagiarism tutorial itself. This is a Prezi presentation. When you click on this link, I know there's a good reason that it does this. I'm not sure what that is right now, but if you click on this blue link, it will take you to the Prezi. And our librarians put this together for us. You can blow this up and make it full screen. And there is a presentation that you will click through, okay? I'm not going to go through it all, but it's pretty in-depth. It's pretty detailed, okay? So you'll go through that. But before you do, I really want to bring your attention to this notes sheet. And again, I'm not connected somewhere, but you can click on this blue link and it takes you to a Google Doc. Okay, this is something that I think you should just kind of have pulled up on your screen. If you have a printer, print it out and write right on it. But here's how you need to take notes. I am not asking you to turn your notes in. I am not grading your notes, but I will tell you, you can use your notes on the quiz. And so I would say it would be to your benefit, extremely to your benefit, to print this out, take notes, or to just have it pulled up and take notes on a separate sheet of paper. Either way, you're going to want to write stuff down, okay? Because this quiz, it's hard, but I'll explain the quiz in just a minute. So here's your notes sheet, and if you take good notes over these topics, that's going to help you a lot on the quiz, okay? The next thing in this folder after you watch the tutorial is the plagiarism quiz. I'm not going to pull that up right now, obviously, but here's the thing about this quiz. It's kind of a special quiz. There are 10 multiple choice questions, and each year we require students to get a 10 out of 10. So let me explain that again. We make you get a 100%. That's pretty cool, right? So what that means is you have unlimited attempts at this quiz. So if you take it and you get a 9 out of 10, you can take it again, and again and again and again, as many times as you need to, in order to achieve that 10 out of 10. It's kind of like a pass-fail grade. If you don't get a 10 out of 10, it's a 0. And so we do that because we want you to be fully aware of every detail about plagiarism, so you never plagiarize, yourself. So unlimited attempts at this quiz, and you can use your notes on this quiz as well. That's why I really encourage you to take very detailed, good notes. And you have until, Sunday at 11:59 p.m. to get that 10 out of 10. But basically, yeah, we're requiring that you get a 100% that goes in the grade book. So that's exciting. If you continuously take this quiz and you keep getting a 9 out of 10 and you're just frustrated, you don't know why, step away from it for a while, take a break, and then come back to it and resume that quiz, okay? So again, we do this so you guys just know what plagiarism is like the back of your hand, and you don't ever make that mistake yourself. So good luck, and if you have any questions about the tutorial or how to access something or the quiz, please let me know. But I think you guys will have, you'll do just fine.